CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is Circle Internet Group stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Now, generally speaking, SCRCL is actually sitting at 223.84. Honestly, it's a very bullish and straightforward market for me because like last week when I called all this prediction, break-evens have already been put on, you know what I mean? So it's a risk-free opportunity. So there you go. Like this was made 5 days ago.
I see a
15th of July, you know, 15th of July was here. 16th finally started breaking up. And from there on, I think like it's a risk-free opportunity now. If we manage to kind of tap the lows, we'll look like I will definitely look for like a re-entry. But if my rules are not met, I'm just not buying. And that being said, if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. And you can see there's really like not lack of coverage. With CRCL, there's a lot of wins and whatnot in the Discord. So goodbye and enjoy.